Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. Before going to the next concept, the inverse of matrices, we have seen adjoint A. Okay, how to find out adjoint of A. So using that adjoint, they have given some properties. In that, one important property is 6 property, adjoint AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. So that we are going to verify using the fourth sum in exercise 1.2. So what is in LHS? LHS says adjoint AB. So first you are going to find out A into B. This only you are going to find out. So how to multiply A and B? First you are verifying the order. It is 2 cross 2 and 2 cross 2. So if you cancel out this, your AB order will be of 2 cross 2. Okay. Now how we are going to multiply? The first row with the first column and similarly with the second column you are going to multiply and write the answers. Okay, now let us see. So first row is 2 into 1 corresponding element, first element into first element, second element into second element. So 2 into minus 1 gives you minus 2 plus 3 into 1 gives you 3. Similarly first row into second column, 2 into 4 gives you 8 and 3 into 2 minus 2 gives you minus 6. Now with the first row it's over. Now we are going to take the second row. Similarly second row with the first column and second column. So it is going to be 1 into minus 1, so minus 1, and then minus 6 into 1, so minus 6. Similarly second row into second column, 4 into 1, it is going to be 4, and here minus 6 into minus 2, so it is going to be plus 12. So you are going to add this. So what is the answer you are going to get? 1, 2, minus 7 and 16. This is AB. Now for this we are going to find out adjoint. What is adjoint AB? We know the shortcut method of adjoint AB. What we have to do actually, we have to invert this diagonal element, write it opposite. So here you will get 16, here you will get 1, and for this diagonal you are going to just change, in this diagonal you are going to just change the sign alone. If it is plus you are going to put minus, and if it is minus you are going to put it as plus. So this is adjoint AB. So this is LHS, mark it as 1. Okay, now we are going to go to the RHS and we are going to find out adjoint B into adjoint A. So similarly next you are going to find out the RHS, isn't it? So write RHS. What is in RHS? Adjoint B into adjoint A. So we know A and B. Now we are going to find out adjoint B first. For B we are going to find out adjoint. As I have told here, what is the shortcut method of finding out adjoint B? First you write this diagonal, inverting the elements. So minus 2 comes up and minus 1 comes down. And for this diagonal what you are going to do is just change the sign. Both are plus, so it is going to become as minus 4 minus 1. This is adjoint B. Now adjoint A. Similarly this you are going to invert. So it is going to be minus 6 comes up and 2 comes down, and for this diagonal elements you are going to just change the sign, both are plus, so both will become minus 3 minus 1. Now again you are going to multiply as you have done the previous case, first row into the first column and second column. Okay, so for what is minus 2 into minus 6, it is 12, minus 4 into minus 1 will give you plus 4. Now first row into second column, minus 2 into minus 3 will give you 6, and minus 4 into 2 will give you minus 8. Similarly now going to the second row. Okay, here it is minus 4, isn't it? Now going to the second row, it is minus 1, and here also you got minus 1. Now second row into first column, So minus 1 into minus 6 will give you 6, minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1. Similarly, minus 1 into minus 3 will give you 3, and minus 1 into 2 will give you minus 2. After simplifying, you get 12 plus 2, 16, minus 2, 7 and 1. This is going to be your 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 equal to 2 equal to 16 minus 2, 7, 1. Therefore, from this we conclude, therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the property is verified. Therefore, adjoint AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A is verified. Thank you.